National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Diwas, 31st October. Rashtriya Ekta Diwas or National Unity Day is celebrated annually on October 31 to pay tribute to Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel, Indian freedom fighter and independent India's first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister. He was instrumental in making a united India from the 565 semi-autonomous princely states and British-era colonial provinces. He is also famous as an Iron Man of India and one of the founding leaders of the Republic of India. Aim. The aim of the day is to provide an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual and potential threats to the unity, integrity and security of our country. History. In 2014, the Government of India introduced Rashtriya Ekta Diwas or National Unity Day with an aim to pay tribute to Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel on his birth anniversary. He is always remembered for his extraordinary works for the country and no doubt he worked hard in keeping India united. Rashtriya Ekta Diwas was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014 by paying tribute to the Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel statue and flagging of a program which was known as Run for Unity in New Delhi. Run for Unity was held to spread awareness about Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel's contribution to Indian history. On October 31, 2018, PM Modi inaugurated the Statue of Unity, a 182-meter-long monument dedicated to Sardar Patel. Celebration. The celebration of Rashtriya Ekta Diwas is complemented with the speech of Prime Minister of India followed by the Run for Unity. A series of special events are organized across the country in memory of Sardar Patel. About Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. The full name of Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel is Vallabh Bhai Jhaver Bhai Patel. He was born on 31st October 1875 at Nadiad, Gujarat, India and died on 15th December 1950 at Bombay. After India's independence, he served the first 3 years as Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Home Affairs, Minister of Information and Minister of States. He married at age of 16, matriculated at 22 and passed district pleader's examination due to which he was able to practice law. In Godhra, he set up an independent office of district pleader in 1900 and in August 1910 he went to London for further studies. In 1913, he returned to India and settled in Ahmedabad and became a barrister in criminal law at the Ahmedabad Bar. He served as the first Indian Municipal Commissioner of Ahmedabad from 1917 to 1924 and was elected as a Municipal President from 1924 to 1928. In 1918, he made his first mark by a mass campaign of peasants, farmers and landowners of Kaira, Gujarat against the decision of the Bombay government. Despite crop failures due to heavy rains, the government wanted to collect full annual taxes. In 1928, he successfully led the Bardoli campaign and earned the title Sardar, that is, leader. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel was the second candidate after Mahatma Gandhi to the presidency of the 1929 Lahore session of the Indian National Congress, and in 1931 he presided the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress. He was the first chairman and founder of the Edward Memorial High School, Borsad, EMHS. Now it is known as Jhaved Bhai Daji Bhai Patel High School. He always worked hard to make India a united India, Ek Bharat. To create Shresth Bharat or Foremost India, he requested people of India to live together. Being the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister, he played an important role in the integration of many Indian princely states to make an Indian federation.